To all the content creators who have baby around them always, cheers. Today, another gist day. Come closer. Let me tell you what happened to me in 2022 precisely. Then I was working and I was also trying to shed weight. So someone posted online that if you eat watermelon 247, like you eat it every day for 30 days, that you're going to shed a lot of weight, like up to 10 kg. So I started eating watermelon every day. Every blessed day I will order for watermelon every day, because someone was selling it in front of my office. She will always bring for me. I was eating watermelon hoping to lose weight, not knowing that I had to stop eating both my garri, my rice, and other starchy items, or rather other starchy foods. I was just enjoying myself, thinking that I would lose weight. All to no avail, my dear. I did not lose any shimwai. That was how I ended up adding more weight. Though I was looking refreshed, my skin was just very bright. If you take watermelon often, it will help your skin. Not only will it help your skin, it keeps you hydrated and is good for your heart. If you are pregnant and you want your baby to glow, you have a yellow baby, like a yellow papa baby when you deliver, watermelon is the secret. Take watermelon every day during your pregnancy, especially during third trimester. Try it and thank me later. You will see how big and fresh your baby will be. This is me enjoying my watermelon juice. Yes, is it that you eat it or you juice it? I decided to juice it today, and I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for always. Bye.